Text overlay, 23% of everything AI tells you is wrong, red flash. Sudden silence, then B-roll, server farms, blinking lights, scrolling code. Forget everything you know about artificial intelligence. The $200 billion artificial intelligence industry has been feeding you a fantasy, and almost nobody is talking about it. B-roll, conference stages, CEOs in suits, flashy product demos. They show you chatbots writing poems. They show you images generated in seconds. They promise you a future where artificial intelligence does all your work while you sip coffee on a beach. Split screen, left, CEO smiling at keynote. Right, server farm consuming massive power. But here's what they conveniently leave out. A single artificial intelligence training run consumes 700,000 liters of fresh water. That is enough drinking water for 2,000 people for an entire year. Text overlay, 700,000 liters, water droplet animation. And that is just the beginning of what they do not want you to know. Zoom in on computer screen showing code errors. I tested 47 different artificial intelligence tools in a head-to-head competition. The task was simple: research a topic and produce a 2,000-word article with accurate facts. Nothing complicated, just basic research that any decent artificial intelligence should handle. Animation, 47 icons appear, one by one turning red with X marks. 43 of those 47 tools failed the test. Not kind of failed. Completely, embarrassingly failed. They either took longer than a human doing the same task manually, or they produced content so wrong it was dangerous. B-roll, researcher flipping through books, stopwatch ticking. But the 4 artificial intelligence tools that passed? They changed everything I thought I knew about this technology. Text overlay, the $30 per month stack that beats $200 per month tools. Here is the stack. Tool number 1 costs $20 a month. It reduced research time from 3 hours to 22 minutes. That is an 87% time savings. It reads 50 articles, cross-references facts, and provides actual citations you can verify. 0 hallucinations. B-roll, articles scrolling, highlighted citations appearing. 23% of artificial intelligence responses are hallucinated. That means nearly 1 in 4 things artificial intelligence tells you is completely made up, and it says those lies with absolute confidence. Split screen, AI-generated paragraph with red highlights on fake facts. Human fact-checker shaking head. If your doctor was wrong 23% of the time, you would sue. If your car brakes failed 23% of the time, you would never drive. But somehow, we have normalized an artificial intelligence error rate that would destroy any other industry. Text overlay, would you trust a doctor who was wrong 23% of the time? But here is the part nobody talks about. Reaction shot, person staring at computer screen, visibly frustrated. Venture capital firms are pouring trillions of dollars into artificial intelligence expecting you to become addicted. The business model is not about making you smarter or faster. The business model is about making you dependent. B-roll, VC pitch decks, investment charts climbing, then glitching. Every time artificial intelligence gives you a shortcut answer, you practice the skill of not thinking. Every time you copy-paste artificial intelligence output without verifying it, your brain gets a little weaker at the skill itself. This is not an accident. This is by design. Animation, human brain next to AI circuit. Brain slowly shrinking while circuit grows. Now here is where it gets even more disturbing. Pattern interrupt, screen goes dark, then rapid flash of data center images. By 2027, just a few months from now, artificial intelligence data centers will use more electricity than the entire country of Japan. Not a city. Not a state. A country of 125 million people. Chart, Electri.